If you love guns, but you've never been paid a single dime to work on them, you're missing out on one of the biggest, most overlooked careers in America. In fact, I'll show you how to turn your passion for firearms into a respected trade, all without spending years in school or tens of thousands of dollars on some worthless degree. Hi, my name's Gene Kelly. I'm a gunsmith, an author, and the founder of the American Gunsmithing Institute. For over 30 years, I've trained thousands of regular gun owners to step into a respected career as American gunsmiths. Men and women that enjoy getting paid to do what they love. Now, let me tell you a story. It all started the day I almost destroyed my dad's 97 Winchester. Oh man. My gut sank, my hand shook, and I thought I'd ruined it forever. But learning from that mistake lit a fire in me. It led me down the path to mastering a craft that most people only dream of and most think is simply out of reach. But here's the truth. Gunsmithing is not nearly as complicated as you might think, especially when you understand our design function repair system. You don't need to be a machinist. You don't need to have an engineering degree. If you love firearms, you already have the spark. All you need is the missing know-how. And that's exactly what I give you inside my new book, Becoming an American Gunsmith. Now, this is in theory. Inside this book, I walk you through 41 different tasks you'll be paid to do as a gunsmith. It also will teach you how to set up your shop and go from zero knowledge to being a respected expert in less than a year. Here's why I'm giving this book away for just $5. America needs over 25,000 gunsmiths right now, and there's fewer than 5,000 working gunsmiths today. That means there's a huge opportunity for anyone who wants to take this seriously. And I'm on a mission to train the next generation of gunsmiths before it's too late. So click the link, grab your copy of Becoming an American Gunsmith for just $5, and I'll even cover the cost of shipping. I mean, that makes it almost free, right? But the knowledge inside is pure gold. And I am that serious about training new gunsmiths. Plus, when you order your book, you get a coupon for 50% off of any AGI Armors course. Now, I'm doing that so you can get hands-on video instruction on your own firearms immediately. So don't wait. Passion is absolutely worthless until you turn it into a respected skill. So click now and get your book. And remember, you're just a gun owner until you acquire this valuable skill. But then you're a gunsmith, respected, paid, and free. Grab your book now.